Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charmy'z here. If you're an old subscriber, hey girly, what's up? Did you miss me? And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Charmy'z. I do videos on beauty and style. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become part of the family. I would love to have you. For today's video, I will be doing some ombre jumbo box braids on my daughter. Y'all, I gotta tell y'all this real quick. It's a storm coming and I'm trying to hurry up and do this voiceover as quick as possible. So if you hear a little thunder in the background, just go ahead and ignore it because that's what it is. So first off, I'm gonna start by going ahead. As y'all can see, I took the Shea Moisture, I believe it was a leave-in moisturizer, but don't quote me. Go back, rewind back and look and see what it was. But I sprayed that all into her hair, and then I went ahead and started parting her sections off for her braid. Now y'all, I've been braiding for a long time now, and I have never pre-parted hair before until about I say about a month ago. Y'all, this pre-parting hair is a lifesaver. I recommend everybody, when you are doing some type of individual style, go ahead and pre-part, section off the hair in advance, the whole entire head. It will save you so much time. Yes, in the beginning it can be very time consuming, but it is so worth it in the end. Okay, so now her whole head is pre-parted. No, y'all, when y'all pre-parted, it don't gotta be perfect, y'all. It don't gotta be nice. You don't. All we trying to do is just get a base for this style, so we don't have to spend time doing that. So for the hair we will be using today, I have hair that was sent to me from Zeral on Amazon. I will have the links in the description box. They have sent me 6 packs of ombre braiding hair in the length of 28 inches. The color is 1B/purple/900. Y'all, this color is a color that I have not seen before. I don't know, maybe somebody else has, but me personally, I have not. And y'all, when I sit here and say this braiding hair was the bomb, y'all, this braiding hair was so good. I wish it has so many more different colors. Don't get me wrong, they have other colors, and I'm gonna have to just try them all out because y'all, this braiding hair did not give me any issues at all. Y'all, let's just take a moment of silence for this color. Okay, so now let's go ahead and moisturize the scalp. I'll be using Vigorol by Brothers, as well as my holy grail whenever I do any type of protective style, the Glaze by Just For Me. So what you're not going to see me do is what I ended up doing for her whole head was I went ahead and I sectioned off each hair and I rubber band all of her parts. I don't know why I won't record it, but I just didn't record it. But yeah, I'm gonna go in, grease her scalp, then go ahead with the Glaze, put that all around her hair, and then rubber band each section. To achieve the jumbo box braids, I'm going to take a thick piece of hair and I'm going to separate that into 2 pieces, and then you want to take one of the strands, preferably the smallest strand, cross it over each other and combine that as one. Then I took her rubber band section and split that into 3. And the 3 legs that I made with the braiding hair, I'm going to lay those on top of the 3 sections that I made with her hair. And then you just want to begin braiding. Now to make this style really pop, what I did was made sure I was tucking all of her natural hair behind the braiding hair. So you didn't see any of her natural hair. All you saw was nothing but the purple color. Now in order to tuck the hair, you want to make sure that her natural hair or the natural hair will always be behind the braiding hair. So if you have a piece of the natural hair laying on top, all you do is grab it and tuck it behind and continue to braid down. Now this is not a race, y'all. We want to take our time with braiding this braid. Take your time. It'll make sure that your box braid is beautiful. Slow and steady wins the race. But no, seriously though, y'all, for real, take your time when doing this braid. That's how your braids come out almost flawless. I can't guarantee a flawless braid unless you've been practicing braiding forever. And even then, there are times when I have to unbraid some of the braid and then re-braid it back down because I made a mistake. Mistakes will always happen. But to ensure less mistakes, take your time. Y'all a question. For those who braid hair, when y'all start braiding hair, do y'all all of a sudden get hot, or is that just me? Whenever I do hair, you see my daughter got her arms inside her shirt. Whenever I do hair, y'all, I literally automatically just start sweating. So I always got to keep the fan or the AC on, and I know I be freezing all my clients. Y'all, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Slow down version of me trying to show you me splitting the hair in half. So you want to take the hair and you split it in half. Then you take the smaller side and you combine those two pieces together to form one strand. And then the other two strands on the side will be just the two strands. So altogether you will have three. You want to lay those on top of the natural hair that you have already split into three and just begin braiding. And make sure you just tuck in the hair always. Always tuck the hair behind. For the final part, we're going to go ahead and dip the ends into hot water. Once I'm done dipping her hair, I'm going to take the Vigorol olive oil mousse and I'm just going to put that all over her braids, and then we are done. voila, just like that, we done. Y'all, these braids are so bomb, and I think the color just topped it off. Now, I ain't trying to be out here tooting my own horn, but I mean, look at them. Your girl did her thing. She got to give herself a pat on the back. That's one thing my baby ain't gonna ever have to worry about. Her mommy will always slay her hair each and every time with all different styles. Whatever she wants, I got her. I thank God for the blessing of these hands to be able to work the magic and just transform hair and just do the things that I'm able to do, because for real y'all, without him I wouldn't be able to do none of this. I knew from a little girl that doing hair was my thing, and I'm just so thankful to God that he is continuing to help me grow and get better and better at what I'm doing, y'all. Now, I'm sad to say, y'all, but this video must come to an end. I thank each and every one of y'all for sticking around and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, become part of the family. Also, make sure y'all hitting that like button. Please do your girl a favor and please hit the like button as well. And as always, may God continue to bless and keep you. Until next time, mwah.